Using Xfinity cameras without service is possible by following a few simple steps. First, understand that Xfinity cameras are typically used in conjunction with the Xfinity Home Security system, which requires a subscription to function fully. However, it is possible to use these cameras without the full service by repurposing them as standalone devices. To start, you will need to access the camera's settings, which can usually be done by connecting to the camera directly using a computer or mobile device. This will require the camera's IP address, which can be found in the camera's documentation or by checking the device's settings. Once connected, you will need to change the camera's settings to disable any features that rely on the Xfinity service. This may include disabling cloud storage, motion detection, and alerts. You can then configure the camera to stream video directly to your device or to a local storage device. Another option is to use third-party software or apps that can connect to the Xfinity camera and allow you to view the feed without the need for the Xfinity service. These apps may also provide additional features such as motion detection and alerts, although these may not be as robust as those provided by the Xfinity service. It is also important to note that using Xfinity cameras without service may void the warranty and may not provide the same level of security and support as the full Xfinity Home Security system. Additionally, some features may not work at all without the service, so it is essential to test the camera thoroughly before relying on it for security purposes. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to change the camera's default password and to enable any available security features, such as encryption and secure authentication. You should also ensure that the camera is placed in a secure location and that the feed is not accessible to unauthorized individuals. By following these steps and considering the potential limitations and risks, you can successfully use Xfinity cameras without the full Xfinity service. This can be a cost-effective way to repurpose existing devices and add an extra layer of security to your home or business.